Hello, my awesome third graders. Today we are going to continue practicing the skill of division. We have two goals for today. Goal number 1, I can create a division equation to match a given picture, which means I'm going to show you some pictures of equal groups and I want you to be able to create a division equation based on the picture. And number 2, our second goal is that we can create related multiplication facts. So we can also look at the picture along with our division equation and realize that it is part of a fact family, and we know that there is a multiplication equation that matches it too. Just a reminder about some of our vocabulary for today. When we're talking about division equations, the very first number is called the dividend. It's the largest number and it represents the total number of objects. Our second number for today is called our divisor, and for today it is going to represent the number of groups. This is important because sometimes it doesn't represent the number of groups. Today's lesson, it is important to know that the second number into an equation, the divisor, is talking about the number of groups that you see, and that will be the key. And then our quotient, which is another word for our answer, is talking about the number of objects within each group. Okay, so let's get started, and I think you will catch on very quickly. Here we have a picture of equal groups. Now our first job is to observe the equal groups, notice the equal groups, and think about all the different parts of our division equation, okay? And that takes us back here. The dividend, the first number, the divisor, and the quotient. So in a division equation, my first job is to think, well, how many total objects are there? That's my dividend. So I can just simply count them. I can use a strategy like skip counting. I'm noticing that I have equal groups of 3. So in my mind, I could skip count by 3s, and I could say 3 plus 3 more gives me 6, plus 3 more is 9, plus 3 more makes 12, plus 3 more makes 15, plus 3 more makes 18. Oh, that got me my number very quickly. So I know that my dividend is my largest number, and that's 18. So that's how I start my division problem. Now remember, we said that today our divisor is the number of groups, this number here. So that's important for me to pay attention to. I have 18 diamonds, rubies, gems, and I want to know how many groups do I see. Well, here's group 1, here's group 2, group 3, group 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 equal groups. And now my final number is my quotient, and that tells me how many gems are in each group. And I've already figured that one out. Remember, we said there's 1, 2, 3 in each group. So my final number will be 3. So my division equation is 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Now what I want to do is re-look at this picture again and create, I'm going to take my work away, but create a multiplication equation based on the picture I see. And remember, it's the same thing. Factor times factor equals product. How many groups do you have? I have 6 equal groups. How many go in each group? 3 in each group. How many total gems do we have? 18. You guys, look at that. Fact families. Same 3 numbers, just set up in a different way. 6 groups of 3 equals 18. And 18 divided into 6 groups equals 3 in each group. Okay, I hope you're catching on. Let's do another one. Ooh, now we've got goldfish. Here we go. Our first part of this is to recognize how many goldfish do we see. So I can skip count if I want to. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow, this one's simple. I have 5 goldfish in each group. So I could say 5, 10, 15, 20. I have 20 total goldfish. Remember, my second number, my divisor, is how many groups do I see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of goldfish. That's my second number. And then how many goldfish are in each group? Well, I already figured that one out because I skip counted by 5s, which means there are 5 in each group. 20 goldfish divided into 4 equal groups equals 5 goldfish in each group. Okay, turn this into a multiplication fact. Remember, how many groups? How many in each group? How many total goldfish? I have 4 groups, and there are 5 goldfish in each group, and that makes a total of 20 goldfish. Look at that fact family, same 3 numbers. Okay, one more, we can do this. Oh, look at those cute elephants. All right, think to yourself, how do I figure out the 3 parts of my division equation? Start by thinking, how many total elephants do I have? I'm noticing groups of 3, so I can skip count by 3s again. 3 plus 3 more is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. There are 21 elephants. How many groups do I have? They've been broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. 21 elephants divided into 7 groups. How many cute little elephants in each group? There are 3. Okay, think to yourself, how can I turn this into a multiplication equation? That's a related fact family. How many groups do we have? 7. How many elephants in each group? 3. 7 times 3 equals how many elephants? 21. Okay, here's your final task. Now it's our job to draw a picture to match the division equation that we see. And our equation is 18 divided by 3. Remember, what does 18 mean? That's how many objects I have. What does the 3 mean? How many groups? Think to yourself, if I have 18, let's say, circles, and I want to divide them into 3 equal groups, what does my picture look like? Well, let's start with my equal groups. 1, 2, 3. And I know I can use my divide and share method and give each group a dot or a circle until I run out. I have 18 total dots. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's my 18 circles. I divided them into 3 groups. Now, how many are in each group? Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I skip count, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18. I have 18 total circles. I divided them into groups of 3, and I ended up with 6 in each group. There you have it. Now it's your chance to show what you know. Good luck. Come back and watch this video if you forget.